Hey guys, welcome to the Battle Cats. It's me, the one that you all know and love. Wait, I see something weird about this. Has Junior been getting me to chapter 2? I were on chapter 1 last time. Someone must have been hacking my computer. I think it's Junior because he always does. So, I'll show him. Oh, I will. I'm gonna fight Mexico in front of his big butt. Yeah, twerking that. Meat shield. Yeah. Mama Sumo. I'm not very much loving it because it's really weird with the chicken legs. Okay. Wow, this Mama Sumo's probably going to take the whole place out. Coco, stop interrupting the video. Okay. I'm just going to wait for one of my strong cats to come. Chicken leg. Chicken leg. Chicken legs. Oh, it's so weird. I just can't stand looking at those chicken legs. That makes me think about KFC. I don't know why. Thor kitty. Boom. Mexico is almost no more. Oh, they have some really strong enemies. Oh, they won't stand a chance against my gang kitties. Dead. Killed that squirrel. Pest control. Oh, dang it. Oh no, it's Sir Seal. Anti-Reds. I'm doing.
Alright.
I swear what I meant.
You choked on it, didn't you?
No.
What did I tell you about hard candy?
It's not a Jolly Rancher.
It's a hard candy.
Look, I swallowed it. It felt a bit weird. No more for the night.
Good idea. 3 minutes more.
Shoot them.
Alright.
Chest pain's really getting me. Oh. Ow. Ooh. No, not today, Mexico.
4 minutes more.
Meat shields.
Looks like you're gonna lose.
Oh, I won't. I promise. My comeback is going to be awesome. Something's really getting to me. We should do mouth to mouth or something.
That's for people that aren't breathing.
Oh. Just hurts my chest.
You breathing about hard candy now?
Dad, please. It hurts.
You're
It
lucky I
hurts.
didn't go down here. windpipe, buddy. You wouldn't be able to breathe. Five minutes.
Oh, this pain's coming back. Oh. I'm telling you guys, this really hurts. Don't chew on mints. Even if they taste really good. It's making... Huh?
No, he swallowed it by accident.
But I'm fine though. It just really hurts. I swallowed it by accident, but it just hurts a bit. I'm fine now.
30 seconds, Paul. I wasn't thinking.
Okay, guys. Let's end this.
Alexa, off.
Please, dear God, go down my...
Is it in your belly or in your lungs?
It's still staying here. Please.
Alright, let's wrap this up now.
I hate this chest pain. Guys, never chew on mints, because it's going to really hurt if you accidentally swallow one. Paul's very good advice. Don't even eat mints until you're an adult and you know how to actually have one. Please, dear God, be gone forever, you dumb chest pain. I really just don't want to eat any more of those. Hey, maybe I'll chug down on some Coke.
7 minutes, Paul.
I'm trying. There's an elephant in my way. Yeah, I know he's powerful, but not powerful enough to defeat my cat army. Oh, chest pain. I'm probably going to be constipated. Even though I don't have a single idea what that word even means.
What?
Constipated.
Consummated?
Yeah, what does that mean?
When you can't poop.
Oh. What's happening to me is horrible chest pain. Kids, don't eat mints until you're 18. What am I doing with my life? Yeah, I had to fight 3 elephants already. Ask me. Oh, that's why you should stock up on Ubers.
8 minutes.
They're really powerful. Dear God, I really want this chest pain to go away.
Finish it so you could drink something.
And I'm trying to make a comeback for this dang chest pain. It's fine. Don't go all crying about it. I'll chug down some soda. And fire.
I'm chugging soda at bedtime, Paul.
Okay, then water. Or milk.
Water would be good.
No, kitty cat, don't die. Don't you die on me, you powerful son of a beast. Don't you die on me. And the chest pain's still here. Yeah, I'm already getting torn apart by Mexico. They send out seals and freaking kangaroos with blocks and gloves that I can't even explain. Come on, girl. Rip through these enemies. I don't want this video to be like 5 hours long. Yes, Sir Seal's dead. Kill them. And kill my chest pain.
Should I do the samurai cat or upgrade the sumo cat or the zombie cat?
Get the zombie cat. He's pretty effective.
9 minutes.
I'm trying. I'm not trying to make this video 5 hours long. I'm trying to make it short enough. Please, dear God, go fast. I don't want this video to be 5 hours long. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Oh, fight him.
Into a devil pack.
Yeah, I know. I have that too. And I've been spamming it to try and beat Mexico. Yes, you son of a beast. Yes. Yes. Dear God, yes, finally Mexico's down. Yeah, I had to fight four and a half
Alright guys, like and
elephants.
subscribe. Peace out. Good night.